This is the Microlino, and it's one of the funniest cars I've ever driven. Now looking at it, it is quite clear where the design comes from. This is a modernized version of the BMW Isetta that once saved BMW from bankruptcy. Here with the front LED strip, modernized. Then we have the LED lamp here, which is simultaneously the rear mirror. Very funny. In the back, it looks like a Porsche 911 992 with the tail brake here going all across the car. We have 230 liters of boot capacity, which is basically as your sports car would have. Opening the door is as classy as in a Rolls-Royce. Press the button and it goes up. This is the perfect car for feminists or single because you can empower yourself. Be your own passenger princess. Drive like this. Closing the door is a procedure itself. Pull on that latch, bam, you'll find yourself in the sporty cockpit, right? Sports steering wheel. A speedometer in the middle for driver focus. And then you have the gear lever, reverse, neutral, and drive with a rocket here. If you want the full 16 horsepower. Then you have this honk. Sounds very funny. You have the windscreen wipers. That basically sounds like a race car gearbox, and you have a touchscreen with your fan speed here, an integrated heater, front window heater, back window heater, and on the side we have this micro box, which is basically your sound system, storage compartment here for drinks and stuff, and that's about it.